Hey there, today I'm gonna show you how to connect arpeggios on two strings with slides. I'm playing simple minor, major and diminished triads on two strings in F sharp Aeolian minor. Goes like this: F sharp minor, G sharp diminished, A major, B minor, C sharp minor, D major, E major, and again one octave higher, F sharp minor. And now I'm gonna show you how I connect those arpeggios with my pinky and the slide. I add a note, I play first the arpeggio downwards like I showed, and then I play the upper note again and slide with this to the upper note of the next arpeggio. That's it. And that works also downwards, of course. Hey there, this is a lick that repeats itself all the time. I'm in the key of E Aeolian minor and I play it on the high E and the B string. And for explanation I split it into two parts. Here's part 1. Pluck first. I'm doing a hammering on the B string without having played a note before on that string. Here's the second part, and together. To harmonize that lick and changing positions, I play the second part with different fingers. I'm implying a slide there. This way I get into the next position and I can play this lick here now. This is also a playing style I really like. It includes two different tricks. The trick number 1 is playing a note twice, but every time in a different way. The first note is always a legato note. That could be a hammer-on or also a slide or a pull-off. Hammer-on or pull-off. And if you do this constantly, it sounds pretty cool. The second trick is also a very cool exercise to practice to leave positions, to get out of box playing. And what I do is simply, I'm into 3 notes per string scale shapes, but it doesn't matter, it works with all kinds of shapes. I play 2 notes. The third note, I always skip the next note and play the next after the next. This way I get one note further into a next position. And you can do this backwards also. And it lets you fantastically change strings. Hey there! When playing arpeggios, they are not only meant to play up and down, you can approach them rhythmically. There are 1,000 ways to do this. I just want to inspire you with this exercise. I'm in the key of E Aeolian minor, playing on the high E and the B string, and playing simple minor, major and diminished triads. Let me show you first the technique. You see, there are pull-offs in it and really hard-picked notes, so they pop out, making this really rhythmic. And this, of course, we can harmonize. We can do this with all arpeggios that have a similar shape. Hey there, this is an awesome left-hand legato arpeggio shape that can give your arpeggio playing a different vibe. It's an E minor 7 arpeggio with an added 9th on one string for practical reasons. This way you can play them differently than with other shapes. And the cool thing is, in the same position you can play also a B minor 7 arpeggio with the same shape. You just play it now on those strings you formerly have skipped. Hey there, I like these arpeggio shapes a lot because they can be approached very rhythmically. 7th chord string skipping arpeggios that are made to play them with hammer-ons, pull-offs and hybrid picking. I'm gonna show you an A flat minor 7 and a D flat dominant 7 arpeggio, so you can play with this over this nice chord progression. Here's the A flat minor 7 arpeggio. And here the D flat dominant 7 arpeggio. And if you combine them,